Miley's playing with the baby. Get him, Miley. His mama playing with the babies. Get him. Get him. See, she had Queenie underneath her. Now she got the red collar. Oh, take it off. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Mama's playing with him. She's saying, play. Come on, play. This is the red collar here, right here by her. Go get it. Go get her. Other puppy's following the kids. Get him, Miley. This is Callie here in the front. Miley's the mom. She's over there with the puppies. Hey, Sydney. Get Queenie. They're all by her burn pile.
She's like her mom. She lays down when a person comes close.
Yeah. She knows just to stop. Stop, drop, and wait.